instructions. Yeah, I'm gonna need the instructions. Where it is set up, this comes down, so you put your plasterboard on. When your plasterboard's on, you can bring it back up. It raises with a wheel, and the good thing is you can twist it around into position. I mean, I've not used it yet, but and the setup wasn't that difficult. There's only mainly 3 main components, very easy to put together, and it's very sturdy. It's actually quite heavy altogether, but you know it's going to be a good bit of kit. So yeah, I'm looking forward to putting some plasterboard up. Let's try it. Let's load it up. Flick it back. One thing, let me show you this. Before you start, pull these clips back. And then that way, board's got it by the props. Look at that, job done. It's nice and tight on the wheel. You can tell it's really tight at the edges. There's literally no chance of it popping. That is great, isn't it? A great bit of kit. And you lower it down. And voila! Job done. Easy peasy. Not great around corners. So it's up there, ready to go. Great bit of kit. And it's like they thought about everything. Everything's adjustable, and there's so many different ways you can position it. And because it's quite flexible, there's a bit of movement in the arms. It's easy to swing the board around, and even if it's up there, you can get up there, position it yourself, and then tighten it up. It's a very good bit of kit. Job done. It's a very simple system to use. You've got a lock that supports this if you're not using it. Flip that down. You literally just wind the handle, which will twist the cable, which will pull it up. So you can lock it off completely if you need. That's your lock there on the side, that handle. Then pull it back, start again. You've also got the lock half you can push down and against it. That'll also lock it off. So there's a lot of motion, but basically it's a very simple mechanism, and there's not much that can really go wrong. Just winding, it's pulling it up, and then to bring it down, just hold the handle and retract it the other way. It's really simple, but a solid bit of kit. And admittedly, props are probably better for smaller boards. But for anything bigger, this board lifter is perfect. Now, just because you've got a good board lift, it don't mean you can cut. Can you see a problem in the next clip? That's in place. Didn't even have to get up the ladder that time. So, how much does this thing cost? And is it actually worth getting one? Do I recommend getting one? Yeah, definitely. I mean, imagine if you're doing fireboard or soundboard, blockboard, which is like up to 44 kilograms of board. You'd have to have someone helping you, or you'd have to get one of these. And do you know how much it is? This was £177, which is mad. You can rent one for £150, or you can buy one for £177. So, for me, that's a no-brainer. 177 quid, and I've got this for life. I think it'll last a while. It seems pretty sturdy. Then I think it's good to go. So, do I recommend it? Yeah, definitely. I think it's a game changer. Board lifter. But if you want to see me plaster a 44 square metre ceiling using stilts and a speed skim, click this video here. It's a bit of an epic one. And for anything else, please subscribe if you like this video. Nice one.